This question was asked in SAT 9th grade exams that we should find the value of a and b when we have a plus b equals 4 and ab equals 8. Good day viewers, you are welcome to this channel. So let's solve these nice equations asked in a SAT exam question for the 9th grader. So I'm going to be solving this using two different methods. So it's just simple, and let's start with the first method. So for the first method, we have a plus b equals 4 and ab equals 8. Let's recall this identity. Anytime we have a minus b raised to the power of 2, this is still the same thing as a plus b raised to the power of 2 minus 4ab. Looking at these two sides, the two of them are the same. So expanding this, we are going to get what we have here. But from the given questions, we have a plus b already, which is 4. And we have ab, which is given as 8. By substituting them into this, we have this as a minus b raised to the power 2 equals a plus b has been given to be 4 raised to the power 2 minus, here is 4 multiplied by 8. So the whole of this is 4 raised to the power of 2, that is 16, minus 4 times 8, that is 32. And subtracting this from each other, we have minus 16. And which minus 16 equals a minus b raised to the power of 2. By taking the square root of both sides, so we have this as a minus b equals a plus or minus the square root of minus 16. But here square root of minus 16, we have it as plus or minus 4i. Why do we have something like this? Is because square root of minus 1 equals I. So far we have a minus b equals this. Let's find a and b separately. We have the first equation, which is a plus b equals 4. And we have another one here. Either we use plus 4i or we use minus 4i, we get the same result, but it's just like in opposite forms. Depend on a or b you want to get first. So let's go with the positive. If we still remain this equation as a minus b equals 4i. And let's recall the first one, which is a plus b equals 4. We now have two new equations, which we are going to solve to get a and b. But here is the trick behind this. I don't want to apply the elimination method at this stage. So what I will just think is, for every a we have here, it's just the same thing as when we have a plus b, then plus a minus b, all divided by 2. This sounds good. Plus b minus b cancelled. A plus a, that is 2a. Then 2 cancelled 2, we have a. That is, a here is the whole of this. So by replacing a plus b as 4 plus a minus b as 4i divided by 2, and we got the result of this as 2 plus 2i. This sounds okay. As far as we got a, which is 2 plus 2i, we are ready to get the value of b as well. So b will be equals 2 minus 2i. And when we consider the negative, instead of plus 4i, when we use minus 4i, this one having 2 plus 2i becomes 2 minus 2i. And this one with 2 minus 2i becomes 2 plus 2i. That is just the trick behind this. Here is the first method, just simple as it is for the 9th grader to approach a kind of problem like this. Let's solve this using another method and see which one is much more easier to solve for the 9th grader. If we find the first method hard to solve, here is another method to solve this same problem. Let's call this method 2. Then let's recall from the sum of a quadratic equation, or let me just call it quadratic formula. By recalling this variable x, if I have x, or since I'm dealing with a and b, so it's still good, but let's recall that if you have x squared minus, we have this as the sum of root multiplied by x plus the product of the root equals 0. This is a common formula. So we agree that the sum here equals to 4 and the product here is 8. Let's replace this one here. By replacement, we have x squared minus, this is 4x, then plus 8 equals 0. We form a quadratic equations. So we solve this one quadratically. Let's transfer this 8 to other side. We have x squared minus 4x equals minus 8. Then after having this, let's add 4 to both sides. By adding 4 to both sides, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals minus 8 plus 4. And for this is a perfect. It's a perfect squared. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is the same thing as when we have x minus 2 raised to the power of 2 equals minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. Then as usual, we take the square root of both sides. By taking the square root of both sides, we have x minus 2 equals plus or minus square root minus 4. And square root of minus 4, where minus 1 equals I. So and we have this as square x minus 2 equals plus or minus 2i. So if this is plus or minus 2i, then we have x equals 2 plus or minus 2i. And assume that I consider this x as a, so we have a equals 2 plus or minus 2i. So if a equals 2 plus or minus 2i, then the value of b as well will be equals b will be equals 2 minus plus 2i. So here is the result of this beautiful problem as I solve it using two different methods. So we can also consider another different method different from this, as we get the same result, but it is the easiest one I think for now. If you have another way of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.